हेलो वेलकम गाइस। आज आम डिस्कस करवा बायोलॉजी विषय ये वीडियोटा कंप्लीट क्विज बायोलॉजी रहिबो। आसंतु डेरी न करी आम स्टार्ट करवा प्रथम क्विज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टी होची इन व्हिच पॉपुलेशन इंटरैक्शन बोथ द स्पीशीज बेनिफिट। केउ पॉपुलेशन इंटरैक्शन रे बोथ स्पीशीज बेनिफिट ही थांती। यार राइट आंसर टी होची म्यूचुअलिज्म। नेम द टिश्यू दैट ट्रांसपोर्ट फूड टू वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट। केउ टिश्यू द्वारा फूड ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट को। राइट आंसर टी होची फ्लोएम। क्लोरोफिल इन फोटोसिंथेटिक प्रोकैरियोटिक बैक्टीरिया इज एसोसिएटेड विथ membranous vesicles. Which of the following is active transport? Which of the following is active transport? Active transport is it is the movement of substance against a diffusion gradient with the use of energy from photosynthesis. What is food chain? Food chain माने कौन? राइट आंसर टी होची पैसेज ऑफ फूड फ्रॉम वन ऑर्गेनिज्म टू अनदर ऑर्गेनिज्म। व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स इज नोन एज सुसाइड बैग्स ऑफ ए सेल। का को सुसाइडल बैग कहा जाए? राइट आंसर टी होची ए लाइसोजाइम्स। व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग body parts or organs of the human body does not have smooth muscles? क्यों body part रे smooth muscles न थाए? राइट आंसर टी होची biceps। Which one of the following organism is responsible for sleeping sickness? sleeping sickness पाई कौन organisms responsible होता है? राइट आंसर टी होची trypanosome। Marsilli, fern and horsetail are examples of which one of the following plant groups? Marsilli, fern and horsetails are which of the following plant group? यार राइट आंसर टी होची ऑप्शन 1 पेट्रिडोफाइटा। Which one of the following is not found in animal cells? Which one of the following is not found in animal cells? Animal cells रे केउटा में देखा जाए नहीं ऑर्गन्सटा सेल वॉल। Which one of the following acid is known as vitamin C? Vitamin C का को हुआ जाए एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड। हाइडन हंगर मीन्स कौन? हाइडन हंगर मीन्स कौन? हाइडन हंगर मीन्स होची डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स इन डाइट। Which pollutant is the major source of marine pollution? Which pollution is the major source of marine pollution? राइट आंसर टी होची सीवेज। Pigment containing and light reflecting cells are known as कौन कहा जाए? Pigment containing and light reflecting cells are known as option 3 chromatophores. The biologist who discovered the scientific function of cells is known as किए सेल आविष्कार करथिले 1665 रे से होचंती रोबोट हुक। द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज ह्यूमन बॉडी रो लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन टा कोन? ऑप्शन नंबर 4 हो स्किन होची राइट आंसर। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट कॉज्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया? एमानंक मध्य रे केउ रोगटी बैक्टीरिया द्वारा हेइ न थाए? राइट आंसर टी होची मलेरिया। का द्वारा होता है मलेरिया? मलेरिया होता है प्रोटोजोआ। एथलीट्स फूड इज ए डिजीज caused by athlete's food is a disease caused by two fungi. The percentage of nitrogen gas in the atmosphere is 78.084 percentage out of 100. What is the source of energy in ecosystem? What is the source of energy in ecosystem? Right answer is solar radiation. One of the following is a large blood vessels that carries blood away from heart to lungs. किए हार्ट रू लंग्स को ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है। राइट आंसर टी होची आर्टरी। आउ लंग्स रू हार्ट को किए करते हैं? वेन। Which one of the following is estimated by the radiocarbon dating? रेडियो कार्बन डेटिंग पाई आमे कहा को व्यवहार करथाउ? राइट आंसर टी होची एज ऑफ फॉसिल्स। फॉसिल्स रो एज ऊपर गवेषणा करी आमे जानि पारथौ रेडियो कार्बन रो डेटिंग कोन। Which one of the following cell organelles does not possesses nucleic acid? न्यूक्लिक एसिड क्यों सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स रे न थाए? राइट आंसर टी होची प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन रे न्यूक्लिक एसिड न थाए। Which one of the following cell organelles does not possess its own genetic material encoding proteins? क्यों organelles रे निजर genetic material encoding proteins न थाए? राइट आंसर टी होची राइबोसोम। राइबोसोम रे genetic material encoding proteins न थाए। Which one of the following is not a component of conducting tissue in plant? Which one of the following is not a component of conducting tissue in plants? Right answer टी होची पेरिसाइकिल। Which one of the following organism represents the primary consumer category in an ecosystem? Which one of the following organism represents the primary consumer category in an ecosystem? Primary consumer category कहा को कहा जाए? कैटरपिलर को प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर कैटेगरी इन एन इकोसिस्टम कहा जाए। Which one of the following organism has vascular tissue? क्यों ऑर्गेनिजम्स रे vascular tissue थाए? राइट आंसर टी मर्सिली है। Tooth enamel is made up of one of the following calcium compound. टूथ एनामेल क्यों कैल्शियम कंपाउंड रे तैयारी होता है? कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट होची यार राइट आंसर। As per the code of nomenclature, which one of the following is the correct way of writing a biological name? क्योंटा करेक्ट हिसाब रे एठी लिखा हिची? राइट आंसर टी होची एमोइबा प्रोटीएस। मींस फर्स्ट लेटर टी कैपिटल हेबो, सेकेंड वर्ड फर्स्ट लेटर टी स्मॉल हेबो। Which one of the following statement regarding electrocardiogram is correct? ECG पाई क्योंटा करेक्ट ऑप्शन? ECG पाई करेक्ट ऑप्शन टी होची electrocardiogram is graphical representation of electrical activity of heart. एटा करेक्ट ऑप्शन। Which one of the following statement regarding penicillin is correct? Which one of the following statement regarding penicillin is correct? Right answer टी होची penicillin resistant bacteria can degrade this antibiotic by an enzyme called beta lactamase. beta lactamase द्वारा ही बैक्टीरिया डिग्रेड होता है पेनिसिलिन रेजिस्टेंट बैक्टीरिया टी। Which one of the following statement regarding cholera is correct? Cholera is a disease due to consumption of contaminated food or water. Cholera contamination water किंबा food को व्यवहार करले cholera होता है। Which of the following accounts for red color tomato? रेड कलर टोमाटो पाई किए साहाଯ୍य करिथाए लाइकोपिन साहाଯ୍य करिथाए एंड कैप्साइसिन बोले कौन आपण मैंने जानीपरि कैप्साइसिन लंका रे थाए कैरोटिनिन कैरट रे थाए एंथोसायनिन भी लंका रे थाए इंसुलिन हार्मोन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गन इंसुलिन हार्मोन टा क्यों फॉलोइंग ऑर्गन रे सिक्रेट होता है राइट ऑप्शन टी होची पैनक्रिएज प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो इन सैलाइन वाटर कॉल्ड प्लांट जे सैलाइन वाटर रे ग्रो करे ताको कौन कहा जाए ताको हेलोफाइट्स कहा जाए द एचआईवी वायरस वीकेंस द इम्यूनिटी ऑफ ए पर्सन बिकॉज इट डिस्ट्रॉय HIV virus weakens the immunity of a person because it destroys lymphocytes. Right option D, lymphocytes. Which of the following has the highest pH? Which of the following has the highest pH? Right answer is pancreatic juice. Who is the author of Silent Spring? Who is the author of Silent Spring? राइट आंसर टी होची रचेल कार्सन व्हाट इज द कोर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक सपोर्टेड स्ट्राइप प्रोजेक्ट इन इंडिया व्हाट इज द कोर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक सपोर्टेड स्ट्राइप प्रोजेक्ट इन इंडिया राइट आंसर टी होची स्किल डेवलपमेंट फ्रॉम व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट सिनामन इज ऑब्टेन्ड सिनामन प्लांट रो क्यों पार्ट रो प्रस्तुत होता है बार्क डालो डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन डी कॉजेस व्हाट विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी रे क्यों रोग होता है राइट आंसर टी रिकेट्स विटामिन डी क्योंठू आम पाई आपण मैंने कहींपारे कि कमेंट मध्यम जनातु व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट रोल प्लेड बाय राइबोसोम इन सेल्स व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट रोल प्लेड बाय राइबोसोम्स इन द सेल्स राइट आंसर टी होची यार सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन करबा पाई राइबोसोम सेल्स रे सहायता करथाय In which among the following categories Nepenthes khasiana or Indian feature plant can be replaced? यह है इंसेक्टिवोरस आपण माने देखिथिबे किछि प्लांट अछि से माने इंसेक्ट को खाई दियंती आउ निजरो न्यूट्रिएंट्स पाई थांती Which among the following plant is used as a green manure पाई क्यों प्लांट को व्यवहार करा जाए सन हेम्प को व्यवहार करा जाए थे ग्रीन मैन्योर पाई व्हाट आर द टू कैटेगरीज ऑफ सेल्स व्हिच नर्वस सिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम क्यों दुईटा कैटेगरी रो सेल्स को नहीं तैयारी होता है राइट आंसर टी होची दी न्यूरॉन्स एंड जिलियल सेल्स What is the World Health Organization WHO criteria for leprosy elimination? What is the World Health Organization WHO criteria for leprosy elimination? Right answer T होची 1 case in 10,000 individuals. 1 case in 10,000 individuals. Which among the following is different from other three? एमानक मध्यरु केउटा डिफरेंट अन्य तीनटा मध्यरु एटा होची फिश इन जिम्नोस्पर्म्स सीड्स आर जिम्नोस्पर्म्स रे सीड्स केमिति थाए राइट आंसर टी होची ऑलवेज नेकेड ही थाए Which among the following hormone can be used as drug to treat cardiac arrest and some other cardiac problems? Cardiac arrest and cardiac problems ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ drugs को ଆମେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରିବା? Epinephrine. Change in genetic composition of a population is called as genetic change. गोटे population रहले ताको कौन कहा जाए? Evolution. Which among the following has the highest content of vitamin E of any food that has not undergone prior preparation or vitamin fortification? यार right answer होची wheat gram oil. Corpus callosum makes an important part of which among the following organs in human body? Corpus callosum makes an important part of which of the following organs in human body? Corpus callosum होची spinal brain रो गोटे part important. An example of protozoa, arthropods, apes, mammals and reptiles is respectively protozoa किए protozoa, amoeba, arthropoda, scorpion, mammals, hen, apes, hen, mammal, bats, reptile, lizard. Right answer is second B. Theory of natural selection was proposed by whom? Theory of natural selection was proposed by Darwin. Which of the following vertebrae are found in neck? Which of the following vertebrae are found in neck? Right answer is cervical. Which among the following is a character of chloroplast which makes them qualified to self-replication? Which among the following is a character of chloroplast which makes them qualified to self-replication? Chloroplast रो केउ गुण जो चाहा सेल्फ रेप्लिकेशन हे पारि थाए बोथ डीएनए आउ आरएनए थाए सेहिति पई. Onion, daffodil, tulip are which kind of stems? एटी होची bulb variety रो stem. Which among the following cell is capable to develop in any type of cell? क्यों cell any type of cell रे develop हे पारि थाए? Stem cells. Sexual cannibalism is a concept in which the female kills the male after mating and is normally found in. Sexual cannibalism is a concept in which the female kills the male after mating and is normally found in female male को after mating kill कर देता है. Spider रे female it is male को after mating kill कर देता है. Which among the following is not an enzyme? क्योंटा enzyme नहीं. Gastrin. Gastrin is not an enzyme. In which of the following branches of science study of function characteristic phenomena observed in living world and the application of this knowledge to world of machine is studied? यार right answer is bionics. Cobalt क्यों vitamin रे थाए? Cobalt क्यों vitamin रे गोटे component? Right answer is vitamin B12. Lipoprotein, which are the large molecule and which transport the cholesterol in blood stream, are proteins and fat molecules. Lipoprotein टा होची proteins with fat molecules. Lipo means lipid, proteins means proteins. Which of the following enzyme plays an important role in adding the building blocks to the primer in a sequence determined by the DNA templates? Right answer is polymerase. In which part of the human body pleura is found? Pleura is found in right answer is lungs. Which part of the plant Raphanus sativus is edible? Right answer is all of the above. A तीनिटी edible part raffinose sativus रे होता है. Which among the following element in the human body organ makes the main basis of working of the MRI magnetic resonance imaging? Which among the following element in the human body organ makes the main basis of working of the MRI magnetic resonance image? Right answer T होची B hydrogen. Contact with the connective tissue. Which among the following connect join bones to bones? Bones to bones को क्या join करता है? Ligaments. Beta carotene is found in which among the following in abundance? Beta carotene reptiles रे मिलता है. Which among the following is the edible part in rice? Edible part क्यों था rice रो? Right answer होची endosperm. The instrument that measures arterial blood pressure is known as. हमें जो arterial blood pressure को measurement करता है sphygmomanometer रे. Sphygmomanometer. Which among the following is not a hereditary disease? ଏମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ hereditary disease କେଉଁଟା ନୁହେଁ? D ଲ୍ୟୁକୋମିଆ. ଲ୍ୟୁକୋମିଆ means WBC କମ ହୋଇଯାଇଥାଏ. saffron କେଉଁଠି ପାଇଯାଇଥାଏ? ଜାମ୍ମୁ କାଶ୍ମୀରରେ. is obtained from which among the following parts of the plant? saffron ଟା ଆମେ स्टिग्मा को हमें व्यवहार करता है. The scientific name of onion is Allium cepa. What does cepa denotes here? Species, family species. Which of the following does not come under Panthera genus? Panthera genus रे क्योंटा आसे नहीं. Domesticated आसे नहीं. बाकी ये तीनटा आस्ता है. The byproduct of photosynthesis रो byproduct टा कौन? photosynthesis रो byproduct होती है ऑक्सीजन. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से नहीं था और ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करता है. दिनों वाला होता है. सोलर एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू एटीपी इन. सोलर एनर्जी क्यों ठी कन्वर्ट होता है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट. The actual location or place where an organism lived is called. Right answer T. जो organism रहता है से habitat. The interaction between algae and fungi to form lichens is called as. कौन कहा जाए? Algae and fungi to form lichens mutualism कहा जाए. Body temperature is regulated by hypothalamus. Which one of the following hormone contains iodine? Iodine क्यों hormone रे थाए? Right answer is thyroxine. In which organ of the human body are the lymphocyte formed? Lymphocyte क्यों टे formation होता है? Bone marrow रे. Which of the following does not have any enzyme in its cell? Which of the following does not have any enzymes in its cells? Virus रे enzymes न थाए. Which is the longest muscles in the human body? Human body रे longest muscles कोटा? Serraceous muscles होची longest muscle. Which nutrient provides the maximum energy on breakdown? Which nutrient provides the maximum energy on breakdown? Fats जितने वाले breakdown होते हैं maximum energy provide करता है. Which organ in the human body helps to maintain balance? Which organ in the human body helps to maintain balance? यार right answer is ear. Which disease is prevented with the help of Salk's vaccine? Which disease is prevented with the help of Salk's vaccine? Right answer is polio. Which organ in the human body regulates the sugar content in the blood? Which organ in the human body regulates sugar content in the blood? Right answer is pancreas. What is the shape of cocci bacteria? Cocci माने गोटे बैक्टेरिया रो शेप थाए सेटा होची spherical. Bacillus माने rod shape. Cocci माने spherical. Which of the following disease is a disease of lungs? कोटा lungs रो disease ए मानक भितरो right answer is tuberculosis. Which of these plant is mainly found in desert? Which of these plant is mainly found in desert? Cactus plant is found in mainly in desert. In which part of human ear is amplification of sound done by three bones? In which part of human ear amplification of sound done by three bones? Three bones द्वारा amplification हुए. Middle ear. The liquid portion of blood is called what? The liquid portion of blood is what? The liquid portion of blood is plasma. Which of these disease is communicable disease? Which of these disease is communicable disease? Right answer, plague. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries oxygen. Right answer. Which among the following disease is very rare in women as compared to its occurrence in men? Which of the following disease is very rare in women as compared to its occurrence in men? कोटा men मानक अपेक्षा female मानक रे कम देखा जाए को disease टा color blindness. Which among the following organs secretes bile juice? Which among the following organs secretes bile juice? Right answer is liver. Which among the following organs secretes bile juice? Liver. Blood enters the kidney through what? Blood enters the kidney through renal artery. Renal artery द्वारा kidney को blood जाता है. Which among the following is a vitamin deficiency disease in which dark red patches occurs on face, neck, hand, calves and feet? Red patches face रे, neck रे, hand रे, calves रे and feet रे हुए. Right answer is pellagra. Which of the following disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B1? Which of the following disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B1? Right answer is very. Which of the following disease is caused by a vitamin A? Right answer is color night blindness. Vitamin A द्वारा night blindness होता है. Which microorganism is penicillin obtained from? पेनिसिलिन को माइक्रोब्स रो मिलता है फंगाई द्वारा. आपण जानी थी फंगाई द्वारा पेनिसिलिन. पेनिसिलियम नोटेटम. Dietary intake of dash is essential for the normal functioning of thyroid gland. थायरॉइड ग्लैंड पाई हमें आयोडीन व्यवहार करता हूँ. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin A? Vitamin A रा पाई कोटा good source? Fish oil. Fish oil is good for vitamin A. Deficiency of which mineral causes anemia? Deficiency of which mineral causes anemia? Right answer is iron. Folic acid में नहीं था. Pregnant ladies माने. Which of the following is dubbed as living fossils? Living fossil के crocodile. The metal present in vitamin B12 is what? The metal present in vitamin B12 is cobalt. The growth of bacteria is measured by what? The growth of bacteria is measured by spectrophotometer. Smooth muscles are likely to be found in where? Smooth muscle क्यों देखा जाता है? Heart रे ही देखा जाता है smooth muscle. The branch of biology which deals with extinct organisms is called. Extinct organisms को study करने पाई को branch टा को study करने को पड़ता है. Phylogeny. What is Kessler syndrome? Kessler syndrome मैंने कौन हो? Proliferation of space debris in low Earth orbit is called Kessler syndrome. In human eyes, the image of an object is formed on In human eyes, the image of an object is formed on fourth option, retina. The kidney is human beings are a part of system of the kidney is in human beings are a part of system for excretion by kidney helpful होता है. Which of the following disease is caused by protozoa? Protozoa by कौन disease होता है? Malaria. क्लोरोक्विन में नहीं था, क्विनाइन में नहीं था, मलेरिया पाई. What is the botanical name of opium? Opium रो botanical name कौन? Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum is the name of opium. Smallpox was declared eradicated from the world in 1980. A bacteriophage is a what? A bacteriophage is a virus infecting bacterium. To study meiosis in plants, the best part would be anthers. Penicillin inhibits synthesis of bacterial cell wall. Penicillin cell wall को destroy करिता है bacteria रो. The focal length of the lens of normal human eye is about 25 centimeter. Genetic screening as analysis of DNA to check the presence of particular gene in a person. Genetic screening कौन पाई करे? To analyze of DNA to check the presence of particular gene in a person. Who among the following is considered as the father of genetic engineering? Paul Borg is considered as the father of genetic engineering. Cobalt is associated with what? Vitamin B12 सहित cobalt जड़ित. Measles is disease caused by virus. Neutrophils and lymphocytes originate from what? Neutrophils and lymphocytes originate from bone marrow. In the context of alternative source of energy, ethanol as a viable biofuel can be obtained from sugarcane. Sugarcane रो हमें ethanol पाई परिवा biofuel. Which bacterial strain developed from natural isolates by genetic manipulation can be used for treating oil spills? Oil spills पाई क्यों बैक्टीरिया को हमें व्यवहार करी परिवा? नाइट्रोजोमोनास बैक्टीरिया को हमें oil spills treating व्यवहार करी परिवा. Dropsy is a disease caused due to adulteration in mustard oil. Dropsy is a disease caused due to adulteration in mustard oil. What is breakbone fever, most commonly known as yellow fever? Breakbone fever is known as yellow fever. The sex of a newborn baby is determined by the chromosome inherited from father, not from mother. Sex of a newborn baby is determined by the chromosome inherited from the father. Which of the following is not a micronutrient for plant? Magnesium is not a micronutrient for the plants. AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus HIV, which is retrovirus. Poisonous fangs of a snake are modified from maxillary teeth. Silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. Silk पोको mulberry leaf को खाता है. The sexual reproduction organs of Aspergillus are Anthracium and Ascobonium. The colorful part of the sunflower or marigold plant is flower. Red blood cells have what? The red blood cells have no nucleus, no mitochondria, no endoplasmic reticulums. Color vision in human eyes is the function of photoreceptor cell named cones. Color vision in human eyes is the function of photoreceptor cell named cones. Kidney secretes an enzyme which changes plasma protein angiotensinogen into angiotensin. The enzyme is called renin. Kidney secretes an enzyme which changes plasma protein angiotensinogen into angiotensin. The enzyme is called renin. Stung by hairs of nettle leaves causes burning pain. This is due to the injection of methanoic acid. Methanoic acid stung by hairs of nettle leaves cause burning pain. This is due to methanoic acid. Cell wall of any fungus is different from plants in having chitin. Sleeping sickness is a parasite disease of humans and other animals. It is caused by trypanosoma. Dengue virus causes high fever, rashes, and reduces the number of particular type of blood cells. Those blood cells are platelets. Dengue virus causes high fever, rashes, and reduces the number of particular type of blood cells. These blood cells are platelets. Bats detect obstacles in their path by receiving the reflected. Bats detect obstacles in their path by receiving the reflected ultrasonic waves. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Which one of the following statement is not correct? Human eye is a refracting system containing a diverging lens is not correct. And these all are correct. Tendons through which muscles are connected to bones are tightly compact bundles of which one of the following fibrous protein? Tendons को muscle सहित connected होता है collagen fiber. Which one of the following is the scientific name of causal organisms elephantiasis? Elephantiasis ର scientific name कौन? Wuchereria bancrofti is the scientific name elephantiasis. Melanin is the natural pigment that gives color to human skin, hair, and the iris. It provides protection against. Melanin कहाँ को protection देता है? Ultraviolet radiation को protect देता है. Which one of the following vitamins has a role in blood clotting? Blood clotting पाई का vitamin उपयुक्त vitamin K. The term probiotic is applied to term probiotic is applied to live microbial food feed supplement. Which one of the following microbes causes acidification and curding of milk? Milk को कर्ड को के ट्रांसफर करता है लैक्टिक एसिड बैसिलस lactobacillus. Golden rice is a genetically modified crop plant where the incorporated gene is meant for biosynthesis of vitamin A. The cause of sweet taste in fruits is fructose. Fructose fine follow fruits sweet taste होता है fruits. Deficiency of iodine causes what? Goiter. Which one of the following organic acid is abundant in grapes, tamarind and banana? Tartaric acid. Banana, tamarind आप सुनते हुए. The stones present in the gallbladder affect the digestion of fats. Biodiversity is described as the range of different species in an environment. The range of different species in an environment called biodiversity. An area for a national park, sanctuary or biosphere reserve is decided on the basis of species richness.